What's up, y'all? It's your girl SharonB. Today we're talking about something a lot of people overlook when they're trying to make some extra cash. Most people think Uber or DoorDash are the only options when it comes to gig work. But let me tell you, there are other apps in 2025 that will actually pay you daily. Work today, get paid today. I know how it feels to wait all week to cash out, or burn hours for small payouts. I've been there. That's why I want to walk you through some of my favorite daily pay gig apps that don't get enough attention but can help you build a solid bag if you work them right. Before we jump in, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I don't gatekeep. If I find something that works, I share it. This one's been around for a while, but a lot of people sleep on it. Roadie connects drivers with local delivery gigs. You choose what you want to accept, work on your time, and the payout hits quick. No hot food, no customer drama, no waiting on random orders. If you have a car and a little time, this one can bring in easy daily money. Then there's Point Pickup. This one's great if you like structure. You can lock in routes earlier in the day, know where you're going, what you're picking up, and what you'll make. No waiting around for orders to pop up. For people who like planning their day, this is a clean option. Do your route, finish your shift, get paid. Next up is Veho. If you've seen those boxes with Veho labels on porches, that's what I'm talking about. Veho gives you your route in the morning, you load up, deliver, and you're done. No surprise orders, no food spills, just clean delivery work. It's easy to stay consistent with this app, and it can feel more like stable income than a hustle. Now let's talk about Curri and RoadSync. These don't get as much hype, but they're great if you want to make more per route. They focus on business deliveries, auto parts, construction materials, and other items. Because the deliveries are for companies, the payouts are usually higher. If you've got a bigger vehicle or just want to level up your earnings, these are solid options. This is why I say there's more out there than Uber and DoorDash. If daily pay and flexibility matter to you, these apps are worth your time. You can run just one or stack them together and create a real income flow. Some people work a Roadie route in the morning, pick up a Veho route in the afternoon, and finish their day with cash in hand before others even clock out of their 9 to 5. Out of all of these, my personal favorite is Veho. I like knowing my route ahead of time, I like just getting it done, and I like finishing my day without smelling like French fries. It's reliable, it pays fast, and it fits around a busy schedule. This kind of hustle gives you options. You can use it to cover bills, save up for something bigger, or build a flexible work schedule that actually fits your life. And in this economy, that kind of flexibility is everything. If you're listening to this and thinking, I like daily pay, but I want something more stable, I got you. That's where remote jobs like LiveOps come in. In my next video, I'll walk you through step by step how to get hired to work from home and still keep control of your schedule. That link is in the pinned comment. And if delivery's your lane, I dropped my Amazon gear list in the description to help you get set up. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I've got more daily pay app drops, courier tips, and remote job breakdowns coming. This is your girl SharonB, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.